Welcome and thank you for ordering the Covert Gawkr theme. Now before you continue, we have an important one-time special offer for new members only. This is optional, but you're only ever going to see this video once, so please pay attention. If you snooze, you lose. How would you like to gain an almost unfair advantage over everyone else? Well, now you can when you put your profits in overdrive with the too powerful to make public advanced features of the Covert Content Gawkr plugin. The Covert Content Gawkr plugin has been specifically designed to maximize your profits from using the Covert Gawkr theme. But before I show you how, we need to get two things straight. When we say too powerful to make public, we mean it. In order to make this exclusive and as effective as possible for you, this offer will only ever be available to existing members. We also want to be completely honest with you. We are going to offer this plugin as a standalone product later on at a recurring monthly cost. So if you leave this page, this offer and the low one-time early bird price you see below will be gone forever. This is a true one-time offer. And with that out of the way, let's take a look at what the Covert Content Gawkr plugin can do and how it can increase your profits and save you a lot of time and work. You now have your hands on one of the most powerful WordPress themes ever created. And even better, you have an unlimited license for the theme, both for your own use and for building sites for clients. You could literally build hundreds, even thousands of profit-pulling Gawkr sites using the Covert Gawkr theme. But who has the time to find and post content for that many blogs? Nobody. And that's why we decided to create this powerful plugin for you. Covert Content Gawkr is auto-blogging on steroids and then some. Covert Content Gawkr is designed to grab posts and products from Amazon and from any RSS feed, auto-block them to your Gawkr sites complete with descriptions and comments, so you don't have to write a single word, find or create any posts ever. But action speaks louder than words, so let me show you exactly what's under the hood, how Covert Content Gawkr works and what it can do for you. And here we are on one of my Gawkr sites, and I'm going to take you inside the admin area here to show you just how easy it is to use the Covert Content Gawkr plugin to pull in a lot of great posts and product completely on autopilot and also to generate affiliate commissions with it. So this is the main settings for the Covert Content Gawkr plugin. First thing you do in here is simply enter a list of keywords for the posts and products you want to put in, and you can put in as many as you want here, one per line. It can be words, it can be phrases, you can put them in quotes for exact matches. Post creation settings, you can set the plugin to immediately publish anything it puts in, or you can save them as drafts if you want to edit them, re-tag them or whatever before they go live. You can also, especially if you want them to go live immediately, automatically have the plugin create tags for the post based on the title of what it pulls in, and you can exclude words from ever being used to tags in this one here. You can import available comments to the post, and you can randomize how many gets put in, which is great for making your Gawkr site look more organic and live and fresh. And you can also select whether to store the images on your server or not. Also, to make this look very organic and and fresh, you can have random authors assigned to new posts. So instead of everything being posted as admin, you can mark these names here and have a random name assigned to every new post. And actually, the plugin can automatically create an almost infinite number of random authors using these names in here. And that's what has happened here. These are randomly created users the plugin has made. You can put in your Amazon details here, so you can earn a commission when you use the Amazon module. Of course, this works with any Amazon region. So if you have a Gawkr site in German, you might want to use the German Amazon, and a Japanese one, you want to use the Japanese Amazon. And then we have the social sharing settings here, and what Covert Content Gawkr can do is that when it auto-blocks a post, it can automatically share that new post on Facebook and Twitter. And you do that by putting in your details here. And we have links to go grab all these things you need to put in here. It's super easy to do, and it's of course very powerful. When you configure this, and by the way, you only need to configure this once, and then that is it. So let's have a look at the Amazon module. So this is where you set it up to pull in products from Amazon and post them to your Gawkr sites. And what you do here is you click add a new feed. You can give it a name. I'm going to call it fence here because I want to do some fencing or some products and posts about fencing on my do-it-yourself renovation blog here. So I will select a keyword to use, fence in this case. I will go for lawn and garden. It has all the Amazon categories to wait for here, or you can just search for all in all the categories if your keyword is very specific. You can select to automatically have the plugin create keyword categories that matches the keyword. You can select which categories these posts go in, either one at random between a number you select or to all the ones you select. For here we're just going to go with fence here. Check the box to set it to active and start auto plugging. You can select how many posts you want it to create. I want it to create between 1 and 3 posts every 24 hours, that's fine with me. And then finally here you can set it to auto post to social networks and just check this box, and then you can write whatever message you want posted on Facebook and Twitter here. So you can go check out this new post. Or you can write anything you want here. I'm not going to turn this on right now, but that is how easy it is to turn on the automatic social sharing as well. But we're just going to go with what we have here. So if I create this feed, we now have this one is active and creating between 1 and 3 posts every 24 hours. And if we look at the page now, this is the last post I put on. That was the kitchen products. We can force this one to start by going run now here. It will do this automatically, but I just want to force it to start so that you can see something coming in. And as you can see, it just pulled in 3 posts from Amazon directly to live for fencing here and put them in the appropriate category. And if I go to this post here, then we can see this is what I pull in from Amazon. These are the related products. So if I click read more, we go to Amazon. If people buy this fencing, I earn a commission. And that's how easy it is to pull in from Amazon. And of course, you can set up as many of these feeds for different keywords, different Amazon categories, as many of these feeds as you like. And really quickly fill your Gawkr sites with great products from Amazon that will earn you commissions. And you can of course also use the RSS module here to get a lot of content on your blog. So to add a feed here, you just go in, rename this something. I'm going to name this remodel, and you can put in the feed URL to any blog feed. You can search the feed for either select no keyword search or only pull in posts that have, for example, the fence keyword or let's say the kitchen keyword in title or content, or in content only and title only. So let's go with kitchen, and let's say we want it in the title of the post, and I want to post it to my kitchen category. Set it to live. Post creation between 1 and 3 every 24 hours is also good to me. And then I create feed, and now this will do the same. It will pull in from this particular feed anything that has the keyword kitchen in a post title. It will pull into my blog once every 1 to 3 posts in 24 hours, and you can set up as many of these feeds as you like. I just want to go back to the Amazon module and show you we also have an import now function where the various feeds you set up, you can select them and you can change some stuff here quickly, and then you can do an import now function. So I want to import 5 to draft, and I want to do the fence thing here. This is all good, and use default settings. So what I'm going to do now is actually import 5 to post to draft, or I could publish them immediately. And I do an import, and it's just doing that. 5 new posts has been imported. If I go to my posts, and then look at my drafts, we'll see that we have 5 draft posts here that I can then go in and edit and do whatever before I put them in. So you have the option, both for the RSS feed and the Amazon feed module, to either put these to auto blog on a schedule, like you can see here, the last ran on January 28th, next one will be tomorrow, or to go in here to the import now function and import something immediately. So that was a quick demo of what the Covert Content Gawkr plugin can do. And you might be thinking, you had me at 10 times the profit, but what's the Covert Content Gawkr plugin going to cost me? Well, much less than you think. But first, let's recap what's included. You get the Amazon module, you get the RSS feed module, you get the random author module, and the auto post to social media module, which is extremely powerful. And you also get all future modules and updates for free. There are other auto blogging plugins out there, but they are usually very expensive, they're hard to use, and they're not designed to work with the Covert Gawkr theme, giving you a lot of headaches making it run. Obviously, we could charge big bucks for a plugin like this, and as I said, it will be released as a recurring monthly product later on. But right now, you can completely bypass any future cost and still get all future modules and updates for free. Today, from this page only, you can get your hands on the brand new Covert Content Gawkr plugin at the special low early bird price. And for the next few people who order, we'll even include multi-site and developer's license at no extra cost. And that means you can use the plugin on as many of your own blogs as you like, include the plugin on sites you flip or on sites you build for clients. And this is perfect for building hundreds, even thousands of autopilot Gawkr sites. But remember that the price below is a one-time offer, so click the button below to secure your copy right now.